Hello everyone. Already discussed in live class that modifying the structure of table, page number 34. Yes. So modifying the structure of a table. That means already discussed how to create a table and how to create a table using two ways. Number one is using design view and using dataset view. Okay. So this is called dataset view. Okay, and this is called design view. Okay, so already discussed in last class. So it's called dataset view. That means same types of MS Excel. Okay, and it's called design view. Okay, so already discussed creating table using two way. Number one dataset view. Number two design view. Okay, so next, now today discuss modifying the structure of a table. Modify. That means rename, delete your table. Okay, and add row, column in your table. Okay, so modifying the structure of table, sometimes you may need to modify the structure of your table. You can insert new field and delete any field. You can also change the name, data type and other parameter of the field. So it's called modifying. Modifying, that means you can insert new field. New field, that means row, new row. Actually it's called row. Okay, already discussed, it's called row. Okay, so you can insert new row in your table and delete the delete row from your table. Okay, and change the name, table header name. Okay, table heading name, this one is table 1, this one table name is something name. Okay, so field name, you can change field name. Okay, so now discuss in this in this topic. Okay, rearrange field. Rearrange field. Okay, so the order of the field can be changed accordingly as and whenever required. The field settle in design view from top to bottom correspond to the order in a dataset view from left to right. Okay, so this one called actually rearrange field. Rearrange field, that means click on the selector to left of field name. Suppose I want to use design view table. Okay, so click the selector to the left of the field name. Left of the field name, this one. Yes, left of the field name. Just single click. After, drag this mouse and you can see a horizontally line show. Yes, and the field is going. Where the field is going, you can see horizontal line is show. Yes, so that means your field, suppose I want to insert this field up to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 number row. Okay, insert 7 number row, then lift this mouse and you can see this 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 number row. Okay, no problem. 6 number, insert this row into 6 number row. Okay, in 6 number row. Okay, so it's called rearrange field. Okay, same process I using the datasheet view. Okay, datasheet view, how can you rearrange field in datasheet view table? Okay, so same process, just click on field and drag the mouse. Okay, first click on field and drag the mouse, you can see. Okay, and you can see horizontal, this is vertical line actually, because design view is show horizontal line and this data set view show vertical black color line. You can see vertical black color line. Yes, so that means where the field is going. Okay, and we suppose you insert this field in this column, second number column, then just drag the mouse and second number column, lift this mouse. Okay, and you can see field 3, insert second number column. Okay, same process this one datasheet view. Okay, I hope everyone understood. Okay, so it's called rearrange fields. Okay, next discuss inserting fields. Inserting fields, already discussed inserting fields. So step 1, open the database. Students, just like open the database. Okay, that means open your MS Access document, and after, by default that table open in the datasheet view. By default, when you open first time MS Access, and by default show this table, that means datasheet view table. Okay, so you can insert field in both datasheet and design view, and you can create design view, then click on create and table design, already discussed in last class. Okay, so I have already create this design view in my MS Access. Okay, so both table is inserted in my MS Access, number one datasheet view and number two design view. Okay, so you can see how can you inserting field in datasheet view or design view, both. Okay, so same process, just to insert a new field datasheet view, place the cursor anywhere of the column, place the cursor anywhere of the column. Okay, and anywhere on the column where you want to place the field. Okay, so you can see this one is datasheet table. Okay, so where you insert your data type or data set, that means actually inserting field, where you want to inserting field in your table, then right click on, you can see click to add. You can see column header name is click to add, but this column is already inserted, field 3, field 1, field 2, 4, 4, 5, this one. Okay, but you can see click to add option. You can see this column name is click to add option. When you click this column, and you can see some data type is show in your table. Okay, and what you want to use, suppose short text, number, currency, date and time you want to use in your table, then just click on or press the enter key. Okay, so suppose I want to use that date and time and currency, number, short text, data type in my table, then just click on mouse cursor, left click, or you can use also enter key. Okay, number key, suppose you can see this one my field 6, and automatically before value is 0, because this field number field. Okay, so you can see again, when I using data number data type, then you can see automatically generate 0 value, because that means this field actually only you can put number only, number numerical value only. Okay, so after you can see field 6, field 7 already inserted, same option, just click on add and show your data type. Okay, same option in design view, you can see, just right click on field option and click on insert row option. Okay, click on insert row option, and you can see new row is inserted in my design view table. Okay, simple process. So step 3, click on the more field button and the add and delete group of the field tab and select the type of field from the display menu. Okay, so same process, when you using datasheet table in your MS Access, then just click to add column, right click on mouse, click to add column, and search your data type which you want to use, and click on OK, or press the mouse cursor key, press the keyboard enter key. Okay, and you can see new file is inserted in my table, and same process in design view, just right click on row and click on insert row option, and you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 row is inserted in my table, design view table. And suppose you want to again one inserted row, then click on right click, you can see just row which you want to insert it, just right click on your mouse and inserted row. Okay, single click and after you insert row option. Okay, and you can see one row is inserted. Or you can also call fill or row, because we call row this one type called row, yes, and this one type called column. Okay, so you can also call row. Okay, no problem. But this name is called field in MS Access, but you can also call row. Okay, but this in in datasheet view you can call column. Okay, so step 4, and new field with the name field 1 will be inserted the current column position. Now click on the name and caption button of properties group of field. Tap to give a new name of the field. Type the name is gender in the enter field properties dialog box and click on the OK button. Save as the table and database explained earlier. So you can change your column header name, that means the field header name. Okay, just double click on column which you want to rename your field name, and you can enter your field name and press the enter key, or click on the mouse. Okay, click on the mouse of blank pages. This one is blank pages. Just click on blank page. Double click. Press the enter key. Okay, and save the table and base as explained earlier, and already discussed how can you save MS Access document. Okay, just press the keyboard Control S and save as table name. Choose your table name and type your table name. Okay, sorry, type your table name and click on OK button. Okay, and you can also use file tab and click on save as option. Okay, next, deleting field. Deleting field, that means suppose you can see my column is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, up to 9 columns. Okay, so I want to delete my 2 column in my table, from my table. Okay, so just click on column which you want to delete and right click on column, and you can see option delete field option. Okay, so just click on delete field option or select the delete field option from keyboard. Okay, so delete field and click on next. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 field now. Okay, same process. If you want to delete field, just click on field, right click on field and delete field option. Okay, and click on it. Same process in design view. If you want to delete row, just select the row, right click on the mouse and delete row option. Okay, you can see already deleted. Yes, so it's called deleting field. Okay, so step by step, everyone should underline deleting field. How can you delete field from MS Access? Okay, so first step 1, open the table in a design view. Next step 2, click on the field that needs to be deleted. Step 3, click on the delete row option present in the tool group of the design tab. And step 4 is the access confirm the deletion by displaying the below message. Okay, so you can see short simple process. Just click on the row or column, because when you use dataset view in dataset view table in your MS Access, then you can call column, or you can suppose use the design view in MS Access table, then call row. Okay, so it's called field name, dataset call column, field name called column, and design view called field name called row. And suppose you want to field name column or row, then just select your row or column. Suppose in datasheet view, then select your column which you want to delete, right click on mouse and click on the delete field option. Okay, same process on design view. Just select your row which you want to delete and right click on your mouse and delete row option. Okay, I hope everyone understood. Okay, so next click on the yes button, confirm the deletion of the selected field. Okay, next, change data type. Already discussed in data type. Yes, already discussed data type. Text, memo, number, date and time, currency, auto number, no, value, object, hyperlink, lookup, user, attachment, and calculated. Okay, so how can you use data type in your table, board table actually, board table, because design view is already inserted in my MS Access and datasheet view. Okay, so you can select your data type. Suppose this one is my datasheet view and datasheet view table, and this one my design view table. Okay, so suppose you want to choose your data type from design view table. Okay, then just click on data type and arrow symbol, you can see arrow symbol, and just click on the arrow symbol and choose your data type which you want to use. Suppose I want to use number, date and time, currency, auto number, yes or no, all only object, hyperlink already discussed. Okay, just read this again. Okay, text, memo, number, because number is stored numerically. Number data type only store numerically. It can also hold symbols such as decimal point and column, comma. Date and time only store date and time values in tables. And auto number is automatically generate number in our table. Okay, in MS Access table. Okay, yes no, yes or no data type. Yes or no data type actually is used for tick symbol. When you use tick symbol, then you can use yes, no, or true false option. Okay, hyperlink option, when you use some link, inserted link in your table, MS Access table, then you can use hyperlink data type. Okay, next, lookup wizard. It is used create a field that lets you select a value from another table or list of value. Attachment, already discussed attachment, because when you inserted some images, videos, songs, any documents into your MS Access table, then you can use attachment data type. Okay, so I have already inserted attachment data type and already discussed attachment data type. Just double click on attachment and attach your data here in your table. Add, already discussed. Okay, so calculated, this field type is a new in Access 2016. You can use it to create calculate field directly in a table. Okay, so how can you use choice your data type, change your data type actually, no problem, choice or change them, choice or change data type from MS Access table. Okay, so already discussed, just click on data type and select the click on the row and choose your data type. Okay, same process, this one in datasheet view, just click on add button, click on add column and choose your data type which you want to use. Okay, just step, follow this step and everyone should underline step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. Okay, so I hope everyone understood. Okay, so next day we will discuss understanding field properties, change the field size, working with record in table, set the field caption, create validation rule. Okay, so everyone should read. Okay, so now bye bye, thank you everyone.